What if I told you that one of the greatest minds in history, Nikola Tesla, held the secret to unlocking the universe's hidden powers, a method so powerful that it could transform your life in unimaginable ways? Stay with us as we unveil the mystical 3-6-9 manifestation method, a technique Tesla himself believed could change everything. Nikola Tesla, a genius inventor and visionary, was fascinated by numbers and their mystical properties. Among his many discoveries, Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were the keys to the universe. Today, we explore the 3-6-9 manifestation method, a powerful technique inspired by Tesla's insights. Nikola Tesla, born in 1856 in what is now Croatia, was a pioneer in the fields of electricity and magnetism. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for modern alternating current, AC systems, wireless communication, and numerous other technological advancements. But beyond his technical genius, Tesla was a deeply spiritual man. He believed in the interconnectedness of the universe and the hidden power of numbers. Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." But what makes these numbers so special? In numerology, the number 3 represents creativity, communication, and self-expression. The number 6 symbolizes balance, harmony, and nurturing, and the number 9 signifies completion, enlightenment, and humanitarianism. Together, these numbers create a powerful synergy that can amplify your intentions. The 3-6-9 manifestation method is simple yet incredibly effective. Here's how you can harness its power in 3 easy steps. Number 1. Morning intentions. As soon as you wake up, write down your desire or intention 3 times. Be clear and specific about what you want to manifest. Number 2. Afternoon reinforcement. In the afternoon, revisit your intention and write it down 6 more times. This reinforces your desire and keeps it at the forefront of your mind. Number 3. Evening affirmations. Before going to bed, write your intention 9 times. This final step imprints your desire into your subconscious mind, setting the stage for manifestation. Real-life testimonials. Person 1. I was skeptical at first, but after practicing the 3-6-9 method for a few weeks, I started seeing changes in my life. Opportunities just started coming my way. Person 2. I used the 3-6-9 method to manifest better relationships. Now I have a wonderful partner and stronger connections with my friends and family. Person 3. This method helped me focus on my goals and achieve things I never thought possible. It's truly life-changing. While the 3-6-9 method might seem mystical, there is scientific evidence supporting the power of intention and positive thinking. Research in psychology and neuroscience has shown that our thoughts can influence our reality. When we focus on our desires with clarity and belief, we train our brain to recognize opportunities and take actions that align with our goals. This is the essence of the 3-6-9 method. To maximize the effectiveness of the 3-6-9 method, keep these tips in mind. Number 1. Stay positive. Focus on positive, affirming statements. Avoid negative words and doubts. Number 2. Believe. Truly believe that what you're manifesting is possible. Doubt can hinder your progress. Number 3. Consistency. Practice the method daily for at least 21 days to see significant results. Persistence is key. Number 4. Gratitude. Be grateful for what you already have and what you are manifesting. Gratitude amplifies positive energy. It's normal to face challenges and doubts along the way. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. Number 1. Impatience. Manifestation takes time. Trust the process and stay patient. Number 2. Negative thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them but refocus on your positive intentions. Number 3. Distractions. Create a dedicated space and time for your practice to minimize distractions. Nikola Tesla's 3-6-9 manifestation method is more than just a technique. It's a journey into the heart of the universe's mysteries. By embracing the power of 3, 6, and 9, you can unlock the door to endless possibilities and transform your life. Are you ready to manifest your dreams? Start today and let the magic of Tesla's numbers guide you to a brighter future. Subscribe for more insights and secrets from the world of science and spirituality.